Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danielle and today I'm going to be unboxing the Beachly Beauty Box. If you haven't heard of Beachly Beauty, totally okay, because it is a brand new monthly beauty subscription service. If you didn't catch it from the name, Beachly is a beach-inspired brand, meaning all of their products are centered around lake life, beach life, pool life. If you love the water, you're gonna love Beachly. So Beachly currently has a quarterly lifestyle box that I've reviewed before in other videos, and I'll link down in the description. But they just launched their new beauty box, which I am so freaking excited for. So each box comes with 4 to 6 items that are clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and they're all full-size products. Products range from skincare, hair care, body care, all the things needed for self-care. I'll have a link to my full review of the Beachly Beauty Box if you want to know everything in terms of pricing, what a membership is like, etc. But for now, let's just unbox this thing and see what's inside. Alright, so I've got my box opened up, so let's see what goodies are in here. Alright, first up, I'm already loving this packaging. So this is a Sea Rose Mineral Soak. So this is like a bath soak, which I have just recently really gotten into baths, and I purchased another soak from a friend. So I'm really excited to try this because I have just been really loving the vibe of like sitting in a bathtub with my Kindle and some candles and some wine, and it's just like a whole mood. So I'm super excited for this. It says it's a rich blend of sea salts and dried rose petals to show your body some major TLC. I love that. I'm so excited for that. All right, next, this is a brand that I love. So this is Kula, and it is their Mineral Sun Silk Cream. Ooh, sunscreen. SPF 30. It is an oil-free. So is this, I actually have a Kula sunscreen spray, but sounds like this is like an actual cream, which I'm more excited for. I never know if the spray is like working or like doesn't feel like it's being applied evenly. Oh no, this is definitely a cream. I just love their packaging, and I really do love Kula products. I feel like they know what they're doing when it comes to sunscreen, and it just always feels really comfortable on my face. I'm so excited to try this. I'm actually going to be spending all day tomorrow on the lake, so I'll be trying it then. All right, next we have, oh, this is so cool. It's a hand sanitizer, but it's like a little spray one, so you push, I'm not going to spray you with it, but how freaking cute. Like, that is great and convenient for just like throwing in a purse, in a bag, in your pocket, keeping in your car. This is great. This is good. Oh, I think there's even cosmetics. What? So this is a lip and cheek tint. Right there. Let's see what it looks like because it looks white. Oh. It's like got such a subtle shimmer to it. Oh, it looks darker on camera than it actually is. I think it's just to add like a little healthy glow to your cheeks. Should we try it? Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm also really oily, so that's not helping. Oh, I can definitely see though, it's just adding a little bit of shine. It's like a really natural highlight. Oh, I like that. It literally says on the packaging, use Get Glowing Shimmer to bring an added shine to your lips and cheeks. So fun! I love it! So that's what it is, right there. A little pot of shimmery happiness. All right, and last we have, I never know how to say this brand name, Coat nail polish. Super fun summery color. I love that. It's just like a really nice classic coral. Does it have the color name on it? Maybe it does, but I'm not gonna waste your time looking for it. So these were all the products that were in my July Beachly Beauty Box. I can honestly see myself using every single one of these. So that's what I really love, is that they actually give you items that are practical. A lot of the issues I've had with other beauty boxes is that they give me such like niche or like weird things or weird colors that I'm never gonna use or I'll try once, but I can't see myself using consistently. So I really like that these are practical everyday items. And again, they're perfect if you love spending time outdoors or by the water or on the beach or anything like that. So I highly recommend it, guys. I'm a fan, and this is only like their second box ever, I think. But yeah, if you're interested and you want to check out Beachly Beauty for yourself, I do have a promo code down in the description you can use to get 10% off of your first box. Otherwise, yeah, check it out, give it a try, and if you do, let me know what you think.